Now let's look at how you can set up an AWS Cloud Cost Connector. For this, hover over Setup, click on Cloud Integration, move to Cloud Accounts. You can see there are no connectors as of now. Click on New Cloud Account, click on AWS, give your connector a name, specify the account ID. You may give description or add tags, both are optional. And there is a provision to add a AWS government cloud account as well. Click on continue. Cost and usage report is an important step to set up an AWS Cloud Cost Connector. It would help you get all the details of your billing data across all your cloud accounts. For that, you can click on Launch AWS Console. Once you launch your console, you would need to log in and follow these instructions given over here to create a cost and usage report. In Harness Docs, you would see the step-by-step instructions to set up the cost and usage report. Follow these instructions to set up your own report, and once you are done, you would see something like this. You would also need to set up your S3 bucket. Once you are done with both, let's move back to our Harness platform. Add the cost and usage report name. Click on Continue. Select the cloud cost management features that you would like to enable for your cloud cost connector. There is cost visibility, AWS ECS and resource for inventory management, AWS optimization by auto stopping. Then click on continue. Here we need to create a cross account role. For this, you can follow these instructions given over here and launch template on your AWS console. You would find details to be automatically filled in and you would be able to click on continue. Since I have a stack already created, I would be using that. Add the cross account role ARN which you will get, and the external ID is automatically generated. After adding your cross account role ARN and external ID which would be automatically generated, you can click on save and continue. Once you are done, the AWS connector would test connection and the verification is successful. Click on finish, move to cloud accounts, and you can see a AWS cost connector being set up. The connector status is successful and you can test connection using this CTA, and you can click on view cost to view your cost. And here you can see we have received our first data through AWS Cloud Cost Connector. So this is how you set up an AWS Cloud Cost Connector and receive your first data. Subscribe to Harness Community YouTube channel for more such tutorials.